Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we go again. We're gonna try this one more time. A little windy, a little breezy out here right now. I think I'm all right. I picked a different road. The road I was on, the birds got a squirrel and they're chowing down on the squirrel right now in the middle of the road. So I went back and swapped some stuff out. I put the stock motor back in, which is a 2250 kV motor. And I also put a Spektum 6S ESC in it. We're gonna try that. And I put the 35 tooth gears back in it from SpeedTek RC with the SpeedTek RC spool. We're gonna try that. SpeedTek RC, if you go to their website speedtekrc.com, get 10% off. It's 10% off. Use my code KurtzRCs. So we got gears, all sorts of stuff. Go on there and check them out. All sorts of, couple little hop-up parts and wires and connectors and all sorts of stuff like that, guys. So so let's make sure the GPS is going here. 12 satellites working. Let's clear it out. If you look in the top right corner, I'll post that one before this. It was sad, guys. Did like 67. I changed some gears around and all that. Start, stop, stop, read. Okay, so let's track, start. Hope you guys can see that. It's catching. So it is breezy out here. You guys can see you can probably hear it, but that tree right there. So I picked this road. The wind's not blowing directly across, but it's not blowing right behind us. It's kind of coming at a little bit of an angle. This street had a lot of rocks on it last time, so and I think it has a little bit more of a crown to it in the center, and it is a little bit shorter too. So I'm gonna get down here past that curve down there, or at that curve. I think we're okay. Let's see what we can do here, guys. I don't know why I'm getting such bad signal here. Let's see what she can do. That was just a quarter throttle. It was veering off here for some reason. Dual rate, enter. Let's get some steering back so we can get it turned around. Oh, and so now there's the problem with that is down here there's rock everywhere on the sides and stuff. Yeah, it's veering to the almost like a, I don't know if I got in the rock down there or what. Well, the drive shafts are there. Alright, let's see what it says here. Stop, read. So 62, and I barely had the trigger pulled, so let's track, start. Okay, let's try this again, guys, and see if we can get it to go straight this time now. I don't know why it's veering off so much to the right. I left this time. Do nothing to the steering. Just change the ESC out and the gears. Alright, we're going to turn the dual rate down to about, let's do 40. 30 didn't seem like enough turning. So let's go. Still breezy coming on. Got the dual rate up. That's probably what it is. I got the, let's see, track, stop, read, 75, guys, and it had power still left in it, so let's see that, 75, clear that out, track, start, stop, read, zeroed. I'm gonna do one more pass here, try to get that tracking. Okay. That 40 seemed like a pretty good number to be at for the steering. Turn this down. Go right. Go back up to, I think I said 40, right? Do 39, how about that? All right, let's see what we got, guys. Here we go. That was the wind or that was me getting too anxious. But that wasn't even close, I don't think. Stop, read, 70, yeah, so let's try that one more time. God, the steering is always so whacked up on this car. It was 30. There was that. So. Cut out again, guys. I don't think it's gonna do it on 4S. I'm gonna have to go get a 6S battery. Thought maybe it was the ESC, but it's not even that. It's super windy out here now. Stop. Read. 74. Yeah. That was like 4 or 5 passes on that too, so. But it cut out. So. I just died. I wonder if it got hot. No, I don't know why it died out. Maybe the battery's dead. 94. Nah, that thing's cool as nice. All the ESC's blinking at me for some reason. I might have just overpowered it through the alright guys, I don't know what else to do with the 4S. I think I'll drop a 6S in there and see what it can do. It's, that's the third ESC. I think that's my next adventure. Come out here in the morning with a 6S. I'm not going to come back out here tonight. It's pretty windy also, so come throw a 6S and come back in the morning. So there you go, guys. I'm getting it at the consistency of the 64, 65, or no, 76, somewhere around there with this setup. So it's a fun car to test with though. So yeah, SpeedTek RC, guys, get that spool so you guys can mess around with the gearing. You know, with the stock gearing, you can't. Stock spool, a couple gears maybe, if that, if they even have that. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.